Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device or basically restart it. First we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. And here, find the option called restart, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the device is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.